When you're tufting the pillow, you want to mark both sides right in the middle with a tailor's chalk or ordinary chalk, something to wipe off if need be. You want a long enough needle so the needle won't get stuck inside the pillow. You can use doll needles, but with this fabric, I would prefer using regular long needles because you do not want to punch a hole in this fabric where the fabric can come apart over time. And you need strong thread. Of course, you need your button. Let's get started. Thread the needle with long enough thread that it will hang on the side you put the needle through. I'll have the needle threaded. You do not need a knot in this thread. And of course you need a thimble to push the needle through to the other side. Doesn't matter which side you start on. Poke the needle on the dot that you identified as the center of the pillow. Press the pillow down as much as you can. As you're pressing the pillow down, poke the needle and try to grab the needle with your other hand. Not letting go of the needle on this side because you don't want to lose a needle in the pillow. Pull it through. Turn the pillow over. Now when you get the needle over on the other side, pull it and then turn the pillow over. And pull the needle, tie a couple of knots, really tight. I'm going to do it 3 times just in case, because this pillow is really thick and big. Clip off the thread, the needle, and there you have it. A tufted pillow. Or some people might call it a pucker pillow because the pillow is puckering.